Hello viewers, let's solve these particular questions on the board. So look at these questions as you can see it on the board. 2 raised power t is equals to t raised to power 32. How can you solve these particular questions? Don't be too panic when you see a tough questions like this. So what you just do is that first cancelled either the t or 32, anyone you wish. So 2 raised power of t, let's cancel times 1 over t. We are doing that to both sides. T raised power 32 times 1 over t. We multiply this to both sides. So t cancel t. So 2 is equals to t raised power 32 times 1. That is 32 over t. Also, I've cancelled t here. So let me also cancel 32. Multiply both sides by 1 over 32 times 1 over 32. So at the end of the day, 2 raised power 1 over 32 is equals to 32 cancel 32. So t raised to power 1 over t. So we are going there. So what we just do now is this. This t and this t, there's t here, meaning that your answer here, what is here and here must be the same. That is what we are looking for. So what we just do is that, let's start to improvising. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 2 over 2. Let's test. Times 2 over 2. So is equals to t raised power 1 over t. We start testing from here. So 2 must open bracket of this 2 square. You see now this 2. But when you have something like this, you are going to have it. 2 times 1, 2. 32 times 2, that is 64. Is equals to t raised power 1 over t. So this 2, we can have 2 squares allowed. So and 2 square is 4, which is 4 raised power 1 over 64. Is equals to t raised power 1 over t. So meaning that this 2, is 1 before, you can leave it. So it's same thing. Because 2, when you have 2 raised power of 2 times 1 over 64. 2 times 1, 2. That will be 2 raised power 2 over 64. It's still the same thing. So we can also have the same thing. Let's continue. 4 raised power 1 over 64 times 2 over 2 is equals to t raised power 1 over t. So you can have something like 4 raised power, I've mentioned 4 raised power 2. That will be 16. Let me just write the final answer there. 16. 64 times 2, that is 1 over 128. Is equals to t raised power 1 over t. I'm still going because the most for this and this should look alike. So let's continue. So 16, 1 over 2, 128 times 2 over 2 is equals to t raised power 1 over t. So at the end of the day, 2 of 16, that is 256. 1 over 128 times 2, 256 is equals to t1 over t. So at the end, thank God, we've gotten the answer now. So this 256, this 256, meaning that we can conclude now that our t is equals to 256. Final answer. And please don't forget to follow for more. Thanks.